UDHSMI ulong bagajela kadon hapedeng kejingduna jogi doktor hagajela Meghalaya. Ban kaliang jong sorkar jela kala palit pulia doktor ki samla ki bele soisos kular ne kebon. Ulong bagini ki doktor kemdai manetrai hagiwei pat ki hospital. Lam kumtan ai notice seki bagi dibensiu pendap no e kebon kaba kelia soi. Kaba hapedeng shpolak bat arpsan lak tengka. Dr. Amanwar ulong belada kini ki doktor Kim Wan Mi apo uni ubnai ke sorkar kan sele ek badan kam persya yaki.
A bond with the government. It's only but natural that they should report back. If they are here in Shillong especially, they are not supposed to be working in other hospitals. They are supposed to work to report immediately to this directorate, or else will be forced to give a notice that you repay back the bond. And I'll tell you the bond ranges from 10 lakhs to 25 lakhs. Ngidon kajing duna kini ki doktor sekijongi ki babon. But ngitip ba kini ki candidate ki balik pulih nak Meghalaya kota ki bala sign bagabon ki don hang ne apo Shillong. Kan sapoi kapor bangin sajer keteng, we will mention the names later. All those people who have not honored the bond till date, kito ki baklam buram ya kabon kabakil adab sign. But kani kabon kadai nado shpolak kidan kibasan shpolak kidan kibasan apsan law. Nginum la ban le pat dakumbai lada Kim Wan report hapo jong ni August ubnai August. But nado September terter ngin penmi yaki keteng di chongki. But lada Kim sobaha ban one tray bat ke government ken siu no ya kabon. Kenmal bahapor bafisanya gabon piko aban let medical kasip yo ke government ka ai sobha namar bafile bah haki semen ki jongpi bafio by merit takadau ngi ong one tray bat ka sarkar lene one report bat ni bat fin tray ru by merit tela da kidan kitu ki balik puli PG, those who are studying PG, let them give us the information. But those who are here working in some of the hospitals which we have come to know, we ask them to come and report. If you wish to pay back the bond, it is fine. It is as per the bond. But if you wish to not pay the bond, then you will work with the government and we will give the postings accordingly.